Hello everyone. Worksheet chapter number 3, Geography, Mineral and Power Resources. Worksheet number 22. Everyone write down your name, class, section, roll number and date. Write the correct option. Out of the following metallic minerals, the non-ferrous mineral is, options are lead, iron ore, manganese, chromite. Yes, answer Harshit.
Ma'am, manganese.
Metallic, that non-ferrous mineral is manganese. No. Next one. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, Amrit. Yes, Amrit. Veronica. Answer is lead. Next. Next question. Worksheet number 23. Everyone, please open. This country has no known mineral deposit in it. Yes, Akriti.
Switzerland.
Answer is Switzerland. Yes. Natural gas is found with the deposit of petroleum, coal, gold, diamond. Aryan Shinde.
Petroleum.
Petroleum. The chief petroleum producing countries are Iran and Iraq, next Saudi Arabia, next Qatar, and the fourth option is all of these. Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, its answer is all of these.
Answer is all of these. The world's first solar and wind power bus shelter is in option Norway, second Scotland, third India, and fourth China. Which is correct option? Yes, Sarthak Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the fifth MCQ. The world's first solar and wind power bus shelter is in Norway, Scotland, India, and China.
Ma'am, Norway.
Answer is Norway. Anyone else? Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, it's China.
Anyone else? Akriti.
Ma'am, Norway.
Answer is Norway. Everyone? Is it right answer? Scotland. State whether the following statement are true or false. The rock looks red in color if it contains copper. It is true or false? Yes, Veronica. Answer this. True, false? Veronica. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, it's blue. It's false, ma'am.
It's false
The rock-
because the rock which contain copper, it should be blue color. So the rock looks blue in color if the contain copper. So this statement is false. Mineral resources can be conserved by recycling of metals. If we recycling the metal in this way, we can reduce the consumption of mineral. Yes or no? Yes, Shaurya Dondial.
Ma'am, true.
True, yes. It is true. Next, coal which is most abundant for found is called a black gold. Coal is called a black gold. Yes, Akriti.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, false.
It is
called
called
fossil fuel.
buried sunshine. Yes. Petroleum is called a black gold. It is false. Solar energy is a conventional source of energy. Solar energy. It is a conventional and non-conventional. Yes, Harshit Tyagi.
Ma'am, it's conventional.
Solar energy is a conventional source of energy. So it is very expensive. It is non-conventional energy source of energy. Next, it is its advantage that biogas causes greenhouse effect. Biogas increase carbon dioxide in the environment. Yes, Aryan Shinde. It is true or false?
False.
False. It is easily rot in the soil. Now come to the next. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words. 1/4 of the world electricity is produced by which power? Thermal power, hydro power, wind energy, solar energy. Answer the question. Yes. Aryan.
Hydropower.
Hydropower, yes. Next. It is heat energy obtained from the earth. Veronica? Geothermal. A metal dash is used in everything from coins to pipe. Which metal is used in everything from coins to pipe? Harshit Tyagi? Answer is Sarthak Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Third, fill in the blanks. The metal is dash is used in everything from coins to pipe. Answer is copper.
Okay, ma'am.
Aluminium is obtained from dash. Yes, Samriddh. Aluminium is obtained from which mineral? Manya Sharma. Yes, Akriti.
Ma'am, bauxite.
Bauxite, yes. Mineral fuel are found in the dash. Where you found the mineral? In the layers of the earth? Now, next come to the match the column. First, emit large amount of energy. Mineral, CNG, nuclear energy, geothermal or coal. Yes. Yes, Aryan.
Nuclear energy.
It is nuclear energy.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fifth Philip?
Mineral fuels are found in the layers of the earth. Beneath the earth, yes. Clean, eco-friendly and always available energy. Clean, eco-friendly and always available energy. Yes, Harshit Tyagi.
Ma'am, geothermal.
Geothermal. Extracted by mining, drilling and quarrying. Yes, Sarthak Singh. Which you get from extracted by mining, drilling and quarrying.
Ma'am, minerals.
Answer is minerals.
Mineral.
Fossil fuel. Yes, Shore Dondial. Fossil fuel.
Ma'am, CNG.
Fossil fuel, coal. And eco-friendly automobiles, which gas is very commonly used in automobiles in vehicles, that is CNG. Okay.